Alrighty friends, welcome to another unboxing and review here. Well, it's kind of in the box. This is the IGL Portable Basketball Hoop. This weighs about 40 pounds. We got this nice case. It's got a basically like a suitcase here, hard plastic shell. And if you don't want to carry it, it has this handle and you can just drag it along here like this. So very cool, portable, sets up in minutes. We're actually going to try for a record here in a little bit. So this is just set it down here. You just pop these open on the sides. There we go. We have a basketball hoop in here. And basically this just extends out like this. Has these little slots right here on each side. These push in to hold this in place, and upper and lower portion. Those just lock into place there. And that goes down like that. All right, we have our basketball. We have a weight if you want. We get number 4. It has these listed 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't really matter exactly how you do it. You'll find different ways to do it the quickest. So this just goes on here. Has like this little piece right here, little notch, and it has like Velcro right here. So pretty cool. Just put this on there. Then it has a screw on the back side, and you just tighten that down. Literally, this can be done in under a minute, I believe. I'm gonna try to beat a minute. Okay, we have a basketball pump in here. And these are nicely labeled too. So it has number 2 here, number 3 here, and number 1. Okay. So this just closes up now. Make sure you got your little hinges on the inside. This has a portion right here. This slides back to reveal the opening. And then we just put number 1 in here. So these are so easy to use, guys. Don't really even need instructions. This part just goes down here into the hole, and then this thing turns around and just basically give it like a quarter turn, and that locks that into place. We have our 2 little screws here. One there and one here for support. Tighten those down. And this is going to be adjusted to different heights. Like I could put I can just put this right here if I want a short hoop for the little kids, no problem. Or I can do another segment, or the highest segment. We'll measure that and see how high that is. Actually, let's check this one out here. We put this one on, that goes on here. And we just tighten that down. Okay, so the first one, if you just want a short little basketball hoop, check that out. That's super cool. For the toddlers, you can do this indoors too if you want. We're at 55 inches there. All right, and look how easy this is to adjust. Hey, the bigger kids want to play, let's do it. Pull that off, just loosen that, gently place this down. Let's do another segment here. Put that in there and give that a turn. That's all you got to do. Super simple. Not difficult at all. This thing isn't very heavy, but it is sturdily built. That I got like metal things here. The second height looks like we're at 78 inches, so 6 feet 6 inches there. And our final height, let's get this other one on here. I think we just loosen this up. There we go. Put this down ever so gently. Grab that, and it's a little higher, so depending on how you want to do it, you can do it like this, where you just stick it on there, give that a turn, and then put this up there. So however is easier for you. You could even lean the basketball hoop on its side, like just lean it down, put it on, and then lean it back up. So all those are locked into place. These are tight enough, so and look at that. Got yourself a nice basketball hoop there. This has a little weighted thing. This is 35 pounds. You fill it up with water. You can set it on there. Let's blow up and let's see the final height here on this one. Alrighty. Oh, of course. That's at 103, so 8 feet, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 8 feet 7 inches ish. Let's blow up the basketball. So everything you need in this small little container, about the size of a suitcase actually. So let's see, all right. And this little pump, very nice. It comes with, the attachments are right on there. Just stick it in there. Okay. So I like how portable this is. This is super user-friendly, guys. Get a close-up over here and we'll do show you how easy it is to disassemble and to put it away. It's super easy, very user-friendly. It didn't really even come with, I don't think you even need instructions for this, guys. That's about good, I think. Probably do a little more, but that's fine. Let's see if I can dunk this thing. It's been a while. Been a while since I played some basketball, as we can see. But yeah, perfect for whether you want to do indoors, outdoors. You can see it's nice and rugged and sturdy too. You put that, put this water bag on the back and it should be just fine. Yeah, very cool, guys. You could put a little bit more weight too if you wanted on there, but it's nice, very sturdy. And yeah, we'll take it apart here real quick as the rain's starting to come. Oh no. All right, so very simple. Let's do, once again, we can just lay this down. In fact, I'll just show you guys how to do that. If you wanted to take it apart like this, you just lean it down like that. Just as easy as loosening that up. Loosen that up. Loosen that up. I mean, guys, this is, I'm not even joking how simple this is. A couple little snaps right here. These go up. Loosen this, pop that out. Okay, let's get a close-up of how everything fits in there. All right, we can just close this up and we undo our little hinges on the side. Here we go. Everything's nice and labeled. So number one, it just shows you what this thing looks like. And these all snap into place just like that. Boom. That's snap in, snap in. So nothing like rolls around or anything crazy. Here's two. And let's see, it says it has the labels right on there. So we go 2, 3. It even shows you which way to go. Let's see, is this in the way? Maybe that goes, oh, that can turn around like that. Okay. Either way you want to do it, very nice. Pump can go right here. That goes there. This comes around here. Look how easy that is, guys. Let's get our hoop. This one, we just unscrew this right here. Okay. Super simple. That pops out. So just do it real quick on this, how to get this in there. It has these two little grooves there. Those grooves go right here on the screws, and then it just goes in like that, folds right into place. Easy as you please. Let's see, and this one goes in there like this. Check that out, guys. All right, so the backboard, slide these in. If it doesn't go very easy, just make sure you're not applying pressure to this part. There we go. That folds in. This folds down. It has a little slot here for this portion. That's going to go right into there. Let's see if I got that correctly. Yes, there's a little slot that goes right on there. And then we could put our bag under here or keep it out, however we want to do it, like that. And just keep the basketball out for now, but you can deflate it. Check that out. Oh, and make sure you got your little, these things always try to get into the sides there. These little snappers, so snap it on and down. That's all you got to do, my friends. Super convenient. You can take this anywhere, like I said, set it up in the house. Kids can play with it. You're good to go. Pretty sturdy, very compact and small. I'm gonna actually go for a record right now to set this up. The IGL Travel Hoop, it's the world's first hoop in a suitcase. And this handles just like a suitcase too, with a handle on the side or the little pull-out one. You can just tote this around, very easy, no matter how big you are. This thing only weighs about 40 pounds. Okay guys, on this one, I'm just going to show you how to assemble this from the side instead of lifting the backboard up onto there for like a speed run. This makes it a little easier if you lack the strength to do so. All right, let's do this. Here we go. I'm gonna go for a full height setup of this in try to break a minute, but we're gonna see here. Okay, so set it down. There we go. So I'm not sure exactly when the timer starts, but how about now? Okay, we're gonna undo that. Take that out. Take this out. Set that up. Open this up. Lock those in place. I feel like my time's a little off already. Take that out. Take that out. This can go down there like this. Oh. That goes on there. Lock that in place. Oh no. That was gonna cost me some time there. I was on a roll. All right. We'll go 3 onto here as well. There we go. Shut that. Let's go 1 on there. It already cost me some time. That wasn't a smooth transition there on that one. Lock that into place. Screw those down. Go on here while we're tightening those down. There. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Done. Clear. Now how fast that was. Had a little bit of an issue on that one, but you guys can see, super easy to do. Blast. We'll see how fast we can put this away. So I think it was a little over a minute on that, unfortunately. But okay, so we can just take this. I'll show you guys this way. Some people might want to take it down like that if it's a little too heavy. Undo, 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 undo. Pop that open. Undo these. Push those in. Take that out. Open this up. Take this out. Lock it in place. Here we go. There we go. Take it out. Lock it in place. Get this closer. Number 3. There we go. Undo this. While we're undoing that, we'll slide those in. Pop this out. And there we go. This way, this way. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Where's it go? Right in there. Look at that. All right. That was not bad. Close it down. Lock it down. Close that up. Good to go. And take it away. Well, friends, if you guys are looking for a sweet little portable basketball hoop, you can set up anywhere in just minutes and take it down. This thing is great, whether like birthday parties or you just don't want a basketball hoop out on your patio while your kids are playing. Come out, give them a couple minutes, set it up, play their game, and put it away. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want to check this out, I'll link it in the description below. The IGL Portable Travel Hoop. Have a great day, my friends.